Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to make money fast in HAYDAY. To make money fast in HAYDAY, focus on smart farming and selling strategies that maximize coins with minimal effort. Start with weeding by constantly planting and harvesting wheat every 2 minutes, as this not only clears silo space quickly, but also rewards you with valuable expansion items like planks, nails, and axes that can sell for thousands of coins. Next, take full advantage of your roadside shop by stocking it with finished products and rare items priced at the maximum value, and advertise regularly to keep buyers flowing in since crafted goods always outperform raw crops. And once unlocked, use Tom strategically to buy discounted high level items and resell them for profit, creating easy arbitrage with a very little work. At the same time, keep your machines running with high value products such as pancakes, muffins, buttered popcorn, and bacon and eggs, especially before going offline so you earn while away. Finally, save your best items for double coin events when selling premium goods or completing orders can dramatically boost your earnings in a short amount of time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.